Guys, and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Chika and this is Style with Chika. On this channel we share pattern drafting tutorials, DIY sewing tutorials. So if this is something you find interesting or something you'd want to be a part of, do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our amazing and detailed tutorials, and so that you can be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video is quite different because I am excited to announce to you about our paid ASOEBI dress class. So this class is going to be starting on the 20th of June and you'll be learning a lot. So here's a sample of the dress that you're going to be learning, this and this. So if you notice the difference in these dresses, my client on this side is small busted while my client on this side is big busted. So this is one of the things that you'll be learning in our class, how to get your cup size no matter your bust size, whether you are big busted, whether you're small busted. So if you'd want to use ready-made cups or if you do not want to use ready-made cups, you'll be learning all of this. You'll also be learning how to take proper body measurements. Taking proper body measurements is key to getting a perfect fit. So one part of your dress does not bulge or one part does not look uneven. You'll be learning how to drape your lace on your ASOEBI dress. You'll be learning proper fitting and fabric stabilization. Many of you already know that when you reach out to me privately in my DMs to ask me questions about particular styles, I guide you through the process step by step. So this is an opportunity for us to go even deeper. In this class, you get unlimited access to videos and unlimited access to asking me questions about whatever it is concerning these ASOEBI dresses. The early bird registration fee is 10,000 naira only, and we have just 6 slots available, after which it is going to go back to the original price of 15,000 naira. All the details you need is displayed on the flyer on your screen. You can send a DM to the WhatsApp number. I will also be dropping more details on the description box. If you've been wanting to improve your skill, this class is for you, so you should not miss it. These ASOEBI dresses are in season. This is what is in style, and this is what will give you an edge in the market, whether you are sewing for yourself or you're sewing for clients, of which I'm sure that after this video you will not only be able to sew for yourself but for people of different sizes. So this is your chance. Grab your opportunity. Registration is open and I can't wait to see you in class. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in training. Bye guys.